Today's first item is this robot. It's the world's first gardening robot that provides monitoring, watering, and protection. For your garden all in one, using this innovative device is as easy as setting it up and letting it do its job. The robot decides when and how much to water each plant within its designated area, which covers over 9 square meters. It also uses water jets to deter both curious animals and suspicious individuals. Additionally, the robot provides valuable information, such as soil and plant temperatures, without relying on batteries or rechargeable cells. It runs on a built-in solar panel. You can own one of these robots for $250. RYOBI has once again surprised us by creating the world's first cordless kinetic log splitter. This new addition joins their 40 volts family, which already boasts more than 85 products. So you won't have any trouble finding batteries. A single charge can power 150 splits remarkably. Each splitting action takes just 2 seconds, which means that you can speed up the firewood chopping process by about 10 times with a robust 12-ton. Force this wood splitter handles even oak logs with ease. Plus, its sturdy steel frame makes storage a breeze as you can store it vertically. The estimated price for this wood splitter is around $900. Have you seen videos of squirrels trying to get food from bird feeders? Well, this one is squirrel-proof, and even the sneakiest rodents can't beat it. It also helps keep larger birds like pigeons, crows, and magpies at bay. The secret lies in its clever design, which is tailored for small birds like yellow hammers. Here's how it works when a bird lands on the special perch. A spring system activates, releasing food into a designated compartment. It's convenient for both birds and people, since it's easy to clean and refill the feeder, can hold up to 4 liters of food, and you can get one for $80. You don't want to attract birds, and instead you want to keep them away. For instance, a flock of starlings can be a real threat. Pears, apples, plums, and even grains to safeguard your crops. You can use this propane cannon. It startles birds with loud pops. Similar to gunshot sounds. The cannon you see here is priced at $590. It's user-friendly with settings that you can adjust through the mobile app. You can configure the operating time, the number of blasts, the intervals between them, and other parameters. It's easy to switch the cannon on or off via Bluetooth from your smartphone or with the remote control. And if you have a large plot, don't worry, many manufacturers offer cannons designed for up to 15 hectares. OmniPV primarily supplies solar energy equipment, but they also offer an interesting product for gardeners called SolarGrow. This device combines solar panels with special LED panels during the day. SolarGrow charges up and in the evening, and at night, it provides plants with up to 6 additional hours of light. SolarGrow comes in various versions. The first one is tailored for flowers, helping them produce more petals. The second version is versatile and boosts yields useful for crops like tomatoes or lettuce. The company also claims that SolarGrow helps prevent mold growth. You can purchase this system for $200. This innovation is more versatile and will grab the attention of not only gardeners, but also anglers, beachgoers, campers, athletes, and even store owners. It's an electric, battery-powered utility wagon with a 60-kilogram carrying capacity. This four-wheeled assistant is designed to handle dirt roads and slopes of up to 10 degrees with speed adjustments ranging from 2 to 4 kilometers per hour. The wagon can match the owner's walking pace on a single battery charge. It can cover up to 3.4 kilometers plus when you're done with it. You can fold it up in just a second and stow it in the trunk. For instance, the price of this device starts at $255. Is your garden or vegetable patch brimming with gadgets for taking care of your plants, monitoring them, and keeping them safe well? This innovative camera is the finishing touch you need. It's the world's first garden camera with a time-lapse feature. If you've ever seen a time-lapse video, you'll know how amusing it is to watch things speed up with this camera. You can capture stunning videos, condensing the growth and blossoming of your favorite flowers into just a few minutes. This camera is powered by a built-in solar panel, and it also has a charging port for extra convenience. It offers various shooting modes like landscape, macro, and fish on. The camera has a 5 megapixel resolution and is available for just $30.